Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I trust that you are doing good and staying safe in this pandemic. We need to follow all the COVID protocols and regulations. I think that's what's best for our safety and our health. With that being said, in today's video we are going to do some shrimp wraps. So I hope you enjoy this video guys. Please remember to subscribe and share and like the videos. Stay tuned. Bless. Alright guys, we have some shrimp here already clean and washed. So let's get seasoning. I'm going to take some green seasoning, fresh green seasoning. I'm going to take some black pepper. I'm going to take some paprika. I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. Some onion powder. Some ginger powder. Not too much of ginger, you cannot strong. A bit of garlic powder. Some cayenne pepper. Some homemade Chinese seasoning salt. And a pinch of normal salt. And we're going to mix this properly. Yeah guys, so we have now a frying pan. We can use any kind of pot to it. I'm going to add some olive oil. This is hot. We're going to add the shrimp. Ah boy. If you could only smell this, eh? So we're going to cook this shrimp here, and then we move on to the next step. Shrimp wrap, Trinidad style, homemade, lockdown mode. Bless. Alright guys, so the shrimp is 3/4 way finished. I'm going to add some mushrooms, and some broccoli. And it's looking real good, smelling real tough. We have this shrimp already cooked. We have some wraps, multigrain wraps. We have some cheese, some pine, garlic sauce, ketchup. Then we get the ball rolling here. So I'm going to take one of this wrap. Take some of the shrimp. Take some cheese. Take some pine. Take some crushed pine. All this is optional. Some garlic sauce. Some ketchup. And that's it. What's that now, man? I'm going to wrap him like so. Probably fold the edges. We're going to place it in this sandwich maker. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make my shrimp wraps. So I'm going to continue the rest, and then it's time to eat. Alright guys, there we have it. Shrimp wrap. Time to get down on this, you know. Oh god. This full of flavors. The pine, mushroom, I know what to say, but it's delicious. Check it out. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. It's my version of shrimp wraps, homemade style. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next journey, take care. God bless. I'm gone. Bless.